What is up? What is up? Today is another video. An Nsync shirt kind of video. I don't know, I decided to wear this. Comment down below, which do you like, Nsync or Backstreet Boys? You know where I'm going with. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So today, right here, I finally picked up the brand new Jabra Elite Active 65 Tees. The Jabra Elite 65 Tees. These are Jabra's new line of truly wireless earbuds. They do have the Jabra Elite 65 T, but today I picked up the Jabra's Elite Active 65 T. So let's get into this unboxing and figure out what we have here. So in this box, it says, or on the box, it does say it's up to 5 hours of battery life just the earbuds alone, and then you also have the actual charging case that does include another 10 hours of battery life as well for charging. So you do actually have up to 15 hours of battery life on these things, which is pretty cool. And then another thing that they did add was a rapid wireless charging on here. So what that means is, let's say for example your whole entire thing is dead, your charging case and your earbuds are dead. With 15 minutes you'll get about an hour and a half of charging. So I thought that was pretty cool. I wish more earbuds would do that. I wish a lot of more electronics would do that kind of thing too. So that's pretty cool. You get the titanium black for the Elite 65 Tees. You get the beige gold, which is a gold with beige. It's kind of pretty cool. You do also get a black version, which is exclusive only to Best Buy as well. With the Active 65 Tees, you do get the copper navy blue right over here, which I got, which I think looks really good. You do also get the copper black, or the copper red actually. Copper red, which is an Amazon exclusive, and then you also do have the titanium black, which is pretty standard, regular kind of standard Jabra Elites kind of thing. So anyways, battery life on both of them, are pretty much the same, about 15 hours of charge time for both of them. They're pretty good, they're pretty standard. Also too, they're pretty much similar. The only difference between the two are the colors, price points, and one is sweat proof and one is not. So that's the other drawback with these, but they're pretty good. They're just a couple of different what do you call these? There's only a couple of different differences between the two. Yeah, without further ado, let's just unbox these things and see what's inside of it. Grab a unboxing knife right here. Cha-ching! Yeah, it's a steak knife. I know what you're thinking. Why a steak knife? I don't have an unboxing knife. Use what you got. Use what you got, like I always say, use what you got. Let's open these from the bottom right here. And let's pull this out. So let me see, you got the box right over here. Pretty standard. I'll put that on the side right over here. And then the packaging right over here. Let's unbox this. Pull this out right over here. Whew. It says, welcome to Superior Sound. This is a really cool box actually. I'm not gonna lie, this is a nice premium package right over here. Welcome to Superior Sound. Look at that, and it shows the copper navy blue right over here. I don't know if you can see that right there, but it is so nice of a package right there. Let's see what you get. You do get the charging case, of course, a nice navy blue colored charging case right over here. Right over here. Let's open it up and see what we got in here. Also a nice navy blue on the inside, which I do like a lot of. It is so nice. It's kind of hard to open. It's not just a easy open, flip open kind of situation. No magnets or anything. It's just a thing. You also get the USB type, a regular mini USB actually, a mini USB only. Now I wish they would actually do have USB type C, but we do have USB type, just regular USB, mini USB. Also got the Jabra logo right over there, which is pretty cool. I like that a lot. I like the color. Blue is actually my favorite color, so this is a really, really good choice. And then, of course, the main show, or the main attraction of the show, which is the Jabra earbuds right over there, with a nice copper and navy blue right over there, right nice inside of the package. I like the packaging. Packaging is standard. Before I take out these earbuds though, let me go ahead and go check out these accessories which are in these box. Open up this box right over here. Right here we got your standard paperwork that actually nobody actually cares about, so I'm gonna just toss that aside. Don't need that. We also got your ear tips. You get your ear tips right over here, which are pretty cool. You get 3 different sizes. Obviously, the third size is actually already on there. So, see how that fits. Might have to change it though. Might have to change the actual fit of the ear tips. Make sure you do too, so you can get the right correct fit and a better sound. Because if you don't, you're not gonna get a greater sound than what they are, and you're just not gonna hear what they're about. You know what I mean? And then of course you do get your USB, mini USB cable, which again, I wish that it was actually just a regular USB type C. Alright, time for the main thing, which is these earbuds. Look at these. These are a nice color. A nice color. I'm really digging the color of these. These are really nice. I mean, these are... wow. Check out that. Now, the other thing too about wireless earbuds and just Bluetooth earbuds itself, the only thing that I'm concerned about is how to get that tight seal fit on these earbuds and make them stay, especially for these being an active, being the active ones, and they're mainly for like working out and things like that. You know, I want to make sure that the earbuds stay in my ears. Like other earbuds will not. They will either fall out and I would have to readjust them all the time. So, you know, hopefully these will stay in my ears and stuff like that. Now, again, these are actually also good for just casual listening to. But then again, if you're not that type of person who works out or who doesn't work out or just loves listening to music just casually, pick up the Elite 65Ts, the regular ones, because again, there's only just like a couple of differences on them, which is again price point, and basically one is sweat proof, which is obviously the active that I got right over here and stuff like that. So yeah, both of them too, by the way, they do have the IP. One of them, the active, is actually IP56 rating, and then the Elite 65T regular ones, they're a 55. And like I said, the numbers means that the 55 is actually water resistant and things like that. The actives have an extra layer of sweat proof and things like that. So if you sweat a lot like me in the gym, these are the way to go. The case is kind of the only thing that I kind of don't like about it. It's not because it's big, but it's because it's a little bit hard to open, that you can see. Like, I can't even get it to open. You kind of have to force it open, unlike other earbuds where you just have to flip it open, it's magnetized or something like that. But that's just a little minor thing for me though. Sometimes I just want to just be like, open it up and just be like, ka-ching, it's open. But right now it's just like, ooh, I gotta kind of force that thing in. But maybe you might have to break it in like a pair of shoes or something like that. But let's check that out. Ooh. These are really, really nice. Just how they look. Let's go to some music and let's hear what they sound like just by default. And let's see how they sound. Okay, Spotify, you want to play me right now? Let's see. Alright. So after some technical difficulties with Spotify at the moment, let's listen to some music and figure out how these really, really sound. Let's see, what do we got here? Obviously, since I'm wearing this shirt right over here, you know what I'm gonna be listening to at the moment. So let's see here. You know I had to do that. Again, comment down below, Nsync or Backstreet Boys, which one do you like? You know what I'm going for. So overall, they sound good. They feel pretty bulky, but they start feeling comfortable after a few moments. Just, you know, you'll get used to, you will get used to it. I know I will get used to these. I like the overall look. The overall look is pretty fantastic. Copper with navy blue on it. I would never even think that these two colors would really go well together, actually, to be honest with you. The charging case, on the other hand, is pretty good. Like I said, the only hard part is just opening it, you know, just wishing that it's just a flip open and stuff like that. But that's just a little minor thing, just my preference on what I like on them. But they still look pretty good. They still feel pretty good. Again, I just wish that they also did have a USB Type-C instead of the USB micro USB on it, because then again, I have a lot of USB Type-Cs now and I barely carry a micro USB. But like I said, these do have a 15-hour battery life on them, which is pretty solid for a pair of earbuds. They're not too big, they're not too chunky, fit them right in your pocket bag or whatever you want. Again, like I said, the price points are a big difference. Like I said, the two main differences between the two are price points and just the sweat resistance. Like that, $20 price points. The Actives right over here, $189.99 or $190, and then the Elites are $169.99. And also too, it also comes down to what color preference that you like. There's certain colors that are only exclusive to the Actives, and there's only certain colors that are exclusively to the Elites. Also that too as well. Like I said, like these copper and navy blue ones are only exclusive to these Actives only. I mean, I wish that all the colors were available to all of them, but they gotta try to market it up and they try to get people to buy these things, so that's what they try to do. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I'm trying to open these again. Don't know why I'm trying to open these again, but I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like these Jabra Elite Active 65Ts right over here. Again, these are not for just everybody, period. Mostly for people who work out, mostly people who just love listening to music while working out and want a better sound quality, basically. A nicer color, nicer everything. The one thing that I'm worried about is just how they fit and how they'll be whenever I run or work out or whatever. Like I said, most earphones do tend to fall out. Hopefully this one is not that case of it. So yeah, guys, thanks for checking out this video. Make sure you check out these Jabra Elite Actives 65 teeth and the Elite 65 tees. Leave a comment down below, Nsync or Backstreet Boys. I'm dying to know what everybody else's favorite, or if you haven't grown up in the era of these two or whatever not, comment down below what kind of boy band you listen to or whatever music you listen to at the end of it all. Subscribe down below. Make sure you turn on that bell notification so that you know exactly when I post up another video. And of course, there will always be another video. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.